So we are here with Julie Pierce. Julie, welcome to our booth here at the One Conference Trade Show.
Thank you for having me.
So what do you love about being part of Multifamily, Julie?
I have been a part of the multifamily for over 20 years, and what I love the most about it is the people. It's kind of like a frat, I always say, or a sorority. Once you're in, and when you're in, you can't get out. But it really is. It's the people make up this industry, and Chadwell fits like a glove in it. So
It's so true. I was out of the industry for about 25 years, and here I am almost 3 years back with Chadwell Supply.
Yes, and some of my best friends, I hang out with them out of the industry, and I feel like it has grown so much, but some of the same core people are still here, and like I said, they're our best friends, and we continue to hang out with them to this day. So,
what do you wish everybody in the multifamily industry knew about Chadwell Supply, Julie?
well, I'll say this. Everybody knows Chadwell Supply. If they don't, they do now, and it is family oriented, and they truly care about their people. And I've been here 12 years at Chadwell Supply, and I've never worked for a company that cares about their people more than Chadwell Supply. And I'm truly blessed and honored to be working here.
We are here again at the Supplier Partner Trade Show here at our One Conference. What are you excited about seeing this week, Julie?
What I've been most excited about seeing this week is Nicole Curl and Chadwell U. And I'm so very excited about spreading what she's building with our Chadwell University, because one thing for me, it's important to support our maintenance guys and women in this industry, because they're the core people who keeps the properties up and running. And I'm so excited about what she's bringing to the table with our training program.
So let's talk a little bit about that. They started with 7 or 8 programs. Chadwell Supply was very popular. Nicole and her team have exploded it to over 80 different programs people can have. That's pretty amazing.
It really is. And right before I came here, even with all the storms and everything coming through, she was able to put it together for one of my CAP customers. And we had such a great training. And so they're getting on board and doing all their CPOs and all the classes through our online system. And I told them a little bit about what Nicole was doing with our online platform, and they're super ecstatic about it. And it's only going to help us grow our partnerships with our CAP programs a lot more.
So check out Chadwell Supply and Chadwell University at chadwellsupply.com/university.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Julie. Really appreciate your time.